Hi, my name is Dennis Putt and I'm part of the team at Working for Health. One of my major roles here at Working for Health is asbestos assessment. So I'm the lead for asbestos within the company. I have a Class A Asbestos Assessor licence with WorkSafe. I've now had about 2.5 years experience doing asbestos assessments. We use a combination of visual inspections, air monitoring and wipe sampling to ensure properties are clear of asbestos. If you are unsure whether you have asbestos in your property, you can contact us and we can take samples and send them away to determine whether there is asbestos in there. If it does come back confirmed, your next step would be to contact an asbestos removalist to have it taken away. Once that has been done, we would then come in and undertake the necessary sampling to ensure that there is no asbestos remaining. Asbestos remains in many places, in both industrial, commercial and residential properties. Around the home you will find it in roofs, so the old dichromatic tiles potentially, or Super 4 or Super 6 roofing material. Within the house it can be found in textile ceilings, old lino on the floor. Outside the house, asbestos cladding can be found around the house itself, the sheds, garages and potentially fences. So if you want to talk to us about asbestos, give us a call on 0800 432 000 and we'll be able to point you in the right direction.